Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Tbox of CFMOTO on 450CL-c. It's not a very difficult thing. It's a very simple procedure, but I couldn't find it on the internet, so I just made a quick video so that I can share it with someone. It might help someone. So to start off, you just have to first open the passenger seat, and it can be done with the provided Allen key in your toolkit, which comes with the bike. After opening the passenger seat, we will remove the seat and then open the main driver's seat, which is again very simple. On the passenger seat there is only one bolt. On the main driver's seat there are two bolts, and I will bookmark the exact time where I will be installing the Tbox, but if someone wants to watch the complete procedure of what to open and how to do it, they can continue watching, or else they can see the description and just skip to that time. Then we will open the main seat. There are two nuts, we'll open them, and then we will remove that seat as well. After removing this seat, we will have to open the battery compartment cover. Again, it has two bolts. We can open them with the provided Allen key, and again, it's simple procedure, no rocket science. After removing the screws, we will go ahead and remove the cover. We'll have to squish it a little bit from the screw side and it will pop off. It's very flexible. We can proceed without removing the battery, but I found it easy to remove the battery, to remove the cover on the left side, the left panel cover where we have to install the Tbox. You just have to first remove the battery terminals and the bracket which is holding the battery, and once you remove those, you'll have to swiggle the battery and pull it up. You might feel there's something sticking under the battery. It's not just rubber, it's squished for so long that it feels sticky. You just have to move it and pull it up, it will come off. And you have to push the panel. It will need a bit of playing around for clips which are holding the side panel. This is the cover which you can remove by pressing the white clip you can see and then pulling the dummy bracket, and then you can install the Tbox clip and it will make a sound. And you can not go wrong with this. There's only one way to insert this, and that's it. Otherwise it will not sit properly or even insert in the plug. This, you can see how I did it. If you find a better way of doing it, you can do that too, but this is fine. This is a decent way of doing it. There was a zip tie on the dummy plug. I did break that, so I'm putting a zip tie again. It's not essential, but because it was there before, so I did it again. You just have to put that side panel again by pushing it on. There are no nuts and bolts on this, just 4 bracket. Okay, this part is not essential. The installation part is done. I was just turning it on to see that the bike is working and I did not mess something up, and it's working. Moto Play icon is visible in the bike settings, but if it is not visible in your app, do not worry about it. After, when you will turn on your bike and your CF Rider app will start showing the data of the fuel, the range, your tracks. As you can see here, 185 kilometers left. What tracks I have taken, it means your Tbox is working. And after a few days, your Moto Play icon will also appear in the app. So that's about it.